Okay, out again with the SAKO S20. Today I'm going to be shooting some steels, and a friend of mine's loaded me up some annealed and non-annealed rounds, so we want to see what the difference in accuracy is at a longer range. So do what the YouTubers are doing. Over there, right over there, is a gong, which you will never see with this camera because it's just a phone, 525 yards away. So what I'm going to do is try and shoot some groups at that range. The wind is blowing maybe 1 to 2 miles an hour at most, so I'm going to see what happens. Was going to try and use my Kestrel weather vane with my Kestrel 2700, but for some reason when I connect it to single target engagement, it's telling me I need 20 MOA to get that far, and I'm pretty damn sure I don't. It's more like 11 MOA, but I'm just going to get it the old-fashioned way of, you know, the capture, direction of fire, etc., and all that, and see what happens. So let's shoot some groups. Right, something for me to get a little bit excited over, at least. But 1, 2, 3 impacts at 530 yards with this annealed brass. That's been done for me. I'm quite impressed with that. I know other people have probably shot a lot better at longer ranges, but Christ, that's the first time I've ever shot that. And that is with the 6.5 CREEDMOOR SAKO S20, 143 grain HORNADY ELDX home loads, and yeah, I can't believe that. 1, 2, 3. What's that? That's, yeah. Christ, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna try and find some more now. Shoot some more, shall I? See how many more I can miss. Okay, back up on the target stand. Gonna give it another go here now. The wind's died right down, and I did have a look, and before I was getting on to target, obviously I wanted to see what was happening with the wind down there, comparing it with my Kestrel and that, and seeing what was going on. And a friend of mine told me just make sure you add another click or so on when you're shooting across a valley, as the wind can do funny things. So what I've done now is I'm going to add an extra couple of clicks on, and then see if I can get any on target. All right, so here goes. Okay, done it again. Groups have opened up a little bit, but I get excited over the littlest things. But to other people, this probably isn't much. But that is 2 in the same spot, and then there's 1 there, and that's 3. Yeah, I've never, to get it consistently on target, I think is great, and I'm going to do it. You know, I'm going to try and film this next one with EagleVision if it hasn't died on me. I made the schoolboy error of not checking to see if I'd powered up the GoPro last night, charged it up. So I'm going to go and try firing some groups with the EagleVision and actually film it this time. So here goes. Okay, tried to do it with the EagleVision, didn't work. Just can't seem to get the image quality. Probably my GoPro, but I managed to get 4 on target again. The wind's got up a little bit, but yeah, this rifle's well impressing me. I am chuffed to bits with it, and to get out to that range there, well, I tried it last year with a 243, and with the wind and stuff, it was just dancing all over the place. But this CREEDMOOR just seems to keep its point of aim. It shifts a bit, but not tremendously, and I'm going to try and get this thing sorted out, but trying to put it to that and work it with the bolt and stuff. You know, you never really think these things through when you want to go and do a video, but I can probably get it on there, but it's just the image quality is crap, and I don't really want to put it on. So otherwise, I'm chuffed to bits with what I've been doing today. So thank you very much. I don't know if you can see over there, but there is, where is it? The world's deafest pheasant. I've been banging off rounds off here for the last hour or so, and he's just sat there mooching about, probably looking for a female pheasant to get the jiggy with. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and well, before I do that, I'll go down and get some videos of my groups there, get a video of my group and see how I get on. Alright, thank you. Yeah, so down at the gong, wind's got up a bit, but I'm still chuffed with that. That's 4 hits out of 4 now on that gong. Well, there's my FX pellet tin, so 530 yards. I'll measure. I got nothing to measure with, never have I. But I'm chuffed with that. It's good to see that. My main thing is that I'm glad that the rifle is validated for the elevation, for the curve. Wind, you're going to be up against all the time, you see, and I accept that, you know, it's part of the battle, but I'm still chuffed that I've got the rifle set up and it's all running well. My mate's been loading okay, and well, okay, very good actually, so thanks to him, thanks to Paul. Yeah, so thanks for watching my video, and I'll come out again and think of something else to shoot, maybe a bit smaller.